In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear door check on this Toyota Prius. Let's get into it. Take this cover off here. I'm using a pick. You could use a straight blade screwdriver. Just pop this off. It's just clipped in. There's a Phillips head screw right there. Just use a Phillips head screwdriver. Take that screw out. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, there's another screw down here. Take that screw out. You can slide that panel off. Remove this bezel. I'm just going to use a trim tool. Get underneath here. We'll just pop it up. It slides right up. Disconnect the connector. Just push down on the tab. And it slides right out. Using a trim tool, just go around the perimeter. Just pop it out. It's just clips holding it in. Just grab the door panel, slide it out, and slide it up. Comes right off. I'm going to pull this bracket off so that we can pull the vapor barrier up higher. Use a 10mm socket. Take these two bolts out. And grab the vapor barrier. And just be careful. Try not to rip it. Using a 10mm socket, take these two bolts out. Using a 10mm socket, take this bolt out. It slides out. And reach in from the inside. Grab the door check, and it slides right out. Slide the new door check in the same way the old one came out. Go through the hole, get the bolt started. You can put some thread lock adhesive on the bolt. And before we tighten that down, we're going to put the other two bolts in. Get this lined up. We'll tighten these two down first. Those are tight. Now tighten this one down. I'll slide the vapor barrier down. If you need some more butyl tape, you can get some more tape. Tape it down good. Make sure it sticks. Take this bracket, line this up. Put these two bolts in. Snug those down. Take the door panel, slide the top part in near the window. Make sure you can get the wiring harness through. And just tap it in all the way around. Take this cover, slide that in place. Take the screw, we'll screw that in. Snug that down. Take the other screw, put it right where the handle is. Snug that down. Take that cover, line that up. Lock it down. Plug the window switch in. Goes that way. Line the bezel up. Push it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.